Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 10th, 2022. Near protocol, we are going to give you all an urgent price prediction in the market for Near. You guys can actually see it's been a extremely long time since I've done a video in Near, so it's about time for that update. Would you all agree? Excellent. So before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. If today's your first time ever seeing my videos and my content, understand that I do this. I do price predictions. I try to get prepared as to where price is trying to go so that we can have a heads up and get in position and actually win and capitalize from the move. So if you guys want to join me, you guys can, and you do that by hitting the like button. So that also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well if you all want to continue to get my information ahead of time. All right, so now you guys can see it. The video that I'm referencing in terms of Near, the last time I did it was on April the 25th, 2022. You guys can see that I was playing the weakness in the market in Near at that particular time, and that is exactly what the price did. It went down. I mean, what can we say? Market has gone down in Near, and here we are today trading around $5.35. Now, where are we headed in Near now? Let's talk about it. Congratulations to those who was able to predict the same thing that was talked about on April the 25th, because you guys called it as well. You all should have won in the market. If anything, you should have got at least about 20% out that particular move to the downside. If you were to get out now, your profitability has increased massively to 61.64%, which is even better. But that's the name of the game, right? Is to come in and make money, and that's exactly what we do here on this particular channel. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. Let me zoom out so y'all could get an aerial view as to how the price chart looks in Near. You guys can definitely tell that we broke that ascending line to the downside back in May. So not surprised to see that, because pretty much all cryptocurrencies and all coins in the market has moved down massively. So let's go ahead and create this other trend though. I want to show you all something that could kind of let us know that the market actually is still trending here to the upside. All right, so let's take this line and let's bring it all the way to the all-time low on Binance for Near. And then we're going to bring down this particular area there. So you guys can see it, how the market in Near actually is still in an uptrend, right? Take a look at that. This market in Near came and bounced off of this longer term ascending line, which is fantastic because it tells us that this is where the buyers ultimately are willing to buy more of this protocol. They're buying it right here. Every time the price in Near comes down to this ascending line, they're coming in and stepping in and buying up this currency. As long as that occurs, guess what? There's nothing for us to worry about. We understand that the price in Near is going to forever go higher in price. We appreciate the market giving us that information, because that is the reason why Near currently is up off of that ascending line right now. So that's the first thing that we're going to address here, and to let us know where Near is headed. The market came and confirmed the trend line. That's great. Let's look at this on a weekly time frame real quick in Near, because we may be hitting the top in the market in Near right now. So my concern into the market in Near would be somewhere around here as to how high this particular price can go. Okay, so either it's going to be here, which is around like $6.30, all the way up here towards 730, 740. Okay, that's the area that I'm looking at the market in Near trying to run up towards. $6.30, might be like $6.25, all the way up there to $7.40. Okay, so these are the areas that we know sellers are positioned. They're positioned. The sellers are up there around like $6.25. And the buyers are down here around $3. Okay, so this is Near right here on a 5-day time frame, and I still like what's going on into the market in Near right here. This still tells me that this particular market is trying to move higher. We're just going to go through some selling. It's going to be times to where the market goes down. It's going to be times where the market goes up. That is how you have an efficient market. But right here on this conclusion of this 5-day price bar still tells us that the overall momentum is still on the buyer side. Okay, now I want you all to see this though, because we have a lot of 5-day price bars right here that would show us that the market really didn't do too much. It really didn't move as much as us taking up a massive move higher or a massive move to the downside. We may actually be going through that period right now to where the market in near doesn't move much. Okay, so keep that in mind too. So this is near right here on the 3-day time frame, and you all can see that even here on the near term, we are noticing sellers coming into the market around $5.75. Okay, so yes, the market currently is going through some selling in near right now. Okay, so we got 13 hours and 24 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar, and yes, we may start out with the price in near trending down, which is going to be real important for us to see the buyers step in the market in near, at least right here on this short-term ascending line, not the longer term one that we just created, but this one. If in order for us to really know how bullish this particular cryptocurrency is right now, price cannot fall below this ascending line which I just created. It cannot do that, because if it does, then we're losing out on the buyers controlling the price. Okay, so let's see what we got on the 2-day chart. So even here on the 2-day chart, the market here is still pretty strong. We just want to wait and see if the buyers are still positioned around $5, no lower than $4. Okay, I'll take $4, but that would just take us into the market in near just pretty much trading sideways. Okay, so let me look at this on hourly time frame real quick, and I'll go ahead and drop a price prediction into the market in near, because currently the market is weak. Okay, so yeah, I would be expecting the price in near to dip a little bit from out the gate initially to come down, but we need to make sure that we see $5 or even, I would say $4.50 to be maintained as support in the market in near. If that doesn't happen, then understand that the most likely outcome is for near just to consolidate and trade sideways in between those two lines that I've created here to where the sellers are positioned, and then all the way down there towards $3. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart, because I am going to suspect that the price in near is going to continue to trend higher. Okay, and support, I would like for the market to hold $4.50, but I'm gonna bring it down to $4. Okay, and let's try to figure out how high we are looking for the market to run in near. The first price target is going to be let's do $6. Okay, that's the first price target, is around 6. And then my second one's gonna be around 650 for real though, right there around 650 in the market in near, and that's about it. Now as time continues to go forward, longer term, like in a monthly basis, is it possible that we can see the market run up to around 7? Yes, we can. 740 we can, but first we need to take out these other two price targets that I identified, which is again $6 and $6.50. Okay, so that is it. I am done from out the gate. Let me tell you right now that we can possibly see the market in there go down. I get it, I understand, but that's what I'm looking forward to right now into the market in near, is this current price prediction right now. All right, so generally what I'm seeing is that the strength into the market in near is still here, albeit there is a slight bit of selling going on into the market as I do look at some of these different price bars. Okay, so I definitely want to make sure I relay that message to you all too. And that is it. I am done. It is your turn. The comment section is open. I want you all to tell me, where do you all think the price in near is headed as we approach the month of September? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.